Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Let's have a look tonight at SERV stock. We can see this one on Friday fell by 7.19%. Let's have a discussion about that, and let's also look at what we could be paying attention to coming into this next week. If it sounds like a good episode, guys, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. At the same time, as always, remember, I am not a financial advisor, and this is certainly not financial advice. With that being said, let's jump straight in. Now, one thing that we see on Friday, and actually for the majority part of last week, we've obviously been seeing the stock drop from highs. This move down was absolutely rapid, it was quick, and it's taken us down quite a bit. Subsequently, the RSI over here is touching on the oversold range. We're just touching on that level right now. So again, depending on how things go, this stock very easily could become oversold technically into the next couple of days. Now, at the late part of Friday as well, you are seeing the stock begin to flatten out in trend. This comes as we do drop very close to levels of support that we've seen before, right around the $14 range. You know, that's basically where we bounced off of before. You can see back on the 7th, we were around this similar level. Now, the nearest major supports, as I say, is maybe $14, maybe $13.90. 5.97, something like that, as you can see back here on the 7th, the 8th. But of course, that's only a level that we've seen for one day, and that is the nearest level that we are near to. So of course, we could have two different scenarios here. Because the stock has been up quite a bit since, perhaps we're about to carve out a new level of support where we are now, or we could see a drop and retest of those levels. If you drop below that, the next level, by the way, is going to be 1350, and in my opinion, 1335 afterwards. If you really begin to move down, 1265 could be the worst case. Now, in terms of levels to the up, if you're able to see this one turn around, you're looking at 1280. That could be the new resistance, was previously a support at a number of occasions, so this could be something to watch out for. Past that, you are looking at 1525, you're looking at 1545, you're looking at 1570 potentially as a level to watch out for. Now, I don't want to make this one too overly ambitious. I don't want to look too far into the future. All I'm looking for this week, to make it very simple and straightforward, I'm looking to see this one begin to find a bottom. What we saw in the late part of Friday could have been an interesting beginning to this, and again, it still could be, right? We could see this play out in a certain way where we do find a bottom around this point. At the moment though, in my opinion, it is a bit too soon to say. So whether it's flat trading, a tiny bit down, tiny bit up, I want to see consolidation into the early couple of days of the week. Again, I'm looking out for these levels to the downside especially, and of course those levels up as well, and of course those I will factor in as things go on. But if you do want to see me look at this stock again through the trading week, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Of course, it lets me know that you guys want to see more of this stuff. Thank you for your time. Hope I'll see you again soon, guys. Goodbye for now.